everyone, and welcome to this comprehensive Python tutorial. Python is undoubtedly one of the most popular programming languages today, and for good reason. It's incredibly simple to use, packed with features, and backed by a massive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Its clean, intuitive syntax makes it incredibly beginner-friendly, allowing you to focus on the logic rather than getting bogged down in complex grammar. Python is a high-level language, meaning it abstracts away a lot of the nitty-gritty details of computer hardware, letting you write code that's closer to human language. You'll find Python being used in almost every domain imaginable: web development, data science, automation, artificial intelligence, and so much more. One of its standout features is its readability. Python code is designed to be easy to write, understand, and maintain, which is crucial for both individual projects and collaborative efforts. And finally, Python boasts unparalleled library support. This is a game changer. Instead of building everything from scratch, chances are there's already a well-tested library that does exactly what you need, saving you immense time and effort. So with all that said, why should you learn Python? Let's dive into some compelling reasons. Compared to other programming languages like Java or C++, Python often allows you to achieve the same functionality with significantly fewer lines of code. This means faster development cycles and easier maintenance. Python provides an incredible array of libraries and frameworks. For web development, you have powerhouses like Django and Flask. For AI and machine learning, you'll work with TensorFlow and scikit-learn. And for data science and data analysis, Pandas and NumPy are indispensable. This vast collection means you're rarely starting from zero. Python works seamlessly across different operating systems. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, your Python code will run without major changes, making it incredibly flexible. Some of the biggest names in tech like Google, Netflix, and NASA rely heavily on Python for their core operations. Learning Python means you're learning a language used by industry leaders. The demand for Python developers is booming. There are countless job opportunities in software development, data science, AI and ML, and automation. Learning Python can open up a world of career possibilities. Let's write our very first Python program. It's a classic, and for good reason. It's incredibly simple and shows you just how straightforward Python can be. We're going to print the words "Hello World" to the screen. As you can see, it's just one line. The print function is a built-in Python function that outputs whatever you pass inside the parentheses to the console. Here, we're passing the string "Hello World." And there you have it. The output, "Hello World." I highly recommend you pause the video right now, open a Python interpreter or an online code editor, and try to print your own name. It's the best way to get hands-on experience from the start.